Hi guys, this is the look that I'm going to be doing today, so if you are interested, just keep watching. Okay, so here I am using concealer to create a base for the eyeshadow. The concealer that I'm using is NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and the color Medium Dark Caramel. So after this, I'm going to use my beauty blender, and excuse the color, and just to blend it in. This is the Urban Decay powder foundation and the color Medium Warm, and I use this to set my eye concealer. I don't use it to set any other part of my face. Okay, so here I am going to use my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a transition color there, and it's called Golden Orchard. So this is the color that I'm going to be using. So when I start, I just put some in and just tap the excess off, and I go in to blend it, and I use like this sweeping motion to put it on. Sometimes I use a circular motion, but that's just the way I'm doing it today, in a sweeping motion. You can do either or, it actually works out either way. As long as you're blending it perfectly, and as long as you continue to blend and don't have any harsh lines, then you should be good. Okay, so I'm going to use this Fresco color in the same palette after I'm done with the transition shade, just to give it a darker color, and it's actually gonna help bring out the pink that I really want. I really wanted to show you guys the reality of doing makeup because it isn't a short process. You have to make sure you continue to blend so you can get the perfect look. Okay, so after all this blending, at this point, I'm like, it is intense. Like, you have to build your color up, girl, and it looks so good. Oh my God. I'm gonna sip on my tea. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take the same concealer I used earlier as a base to cut the crease. And before, like I said, it was NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel. I'm also going to be using this concealer to clean up the sides, and that should just give it a more sharper look. Now, I don't use glitter glue. I would definitely recommend that you use glitter glue, so then that way it will stay in place for however long you need it to. But at this point I don't have any, unfortunately. Okay, so to apply the glitter, I take this concealer round brush, and I'm not sure who it's made by, but you can just use any old round concealer brush and you could use it to apply your glitter. Next, I'm going to use a setting spray to spray the brush so then that way the glitter could stick on the brush and it can apply better. So unfortunately I don't have any falsies, so I do have to use this mascara for now. The mascara that I am using though is called Better Than Sex by Too Faced, and after you apply like 2 coatings it looks pretty good. Okay, so after I added a gazillion coats of mascara, I'm gonna use the NYX matte finish spray in hopes that it sets everything. I generally use this after a full face anyway.